So it came out of frustration, apparently. We had this motion system called the simming, and we started having issues. There'll be times where the system will have an issue. It won't calibrate well. So it was a little frustrating. I had to cancel lab. I had done that twice, and I was uncomfortable with that. I'm like, why don't I build a system? I know how these calculations work, and I think I'll make it a summer project so students will help. So that was how it all began.
This summer, we've been working on Kinetic Scan. This is a project that is a web-based system that's gonna give you your movement data. When you give it a video of someone moving,
when you take a video of someone, what the video is basically 2D pictures. So what it does is that it learns this 2D to 3D mapping, and then it produces the joint coordinates. In 3D form, it produces the joint coordinates of the human body.
with just one single camera on your phone, you can have your movement data analyzed. It's easy, accessible, and low cost.
Kinetic scan would serve as this pre-diagnostic tool that is going to help professionals in these fields like clinicians or coaches get that pre-diagnostic data of, it could be their athletes, their clinic, their patients who are healing from surgeries and stuff, to just get that initial data before visiting these complex labs to get more and further information about their movements and their healing process.
Initially, the proposal, it was a pose estimation project. So pose estimation is very common. Everybody does it. I'm like, nah, let's get ambitious. Let's do an actual motion system. And it's going to be very difficult. I told them it was going to be very difficult. So every step of the way, the students need to know what is going on, how they are going to, help. I give them a workspace. They each have their folder, and then they play with the data.
Professor Ruben say, feel free to play with it. Feel free to make mistake because you learn from mistake.
I think through our conversations and daily, weekly meetings and stuff, Professor Rubin really opened my eyes, and then gaining that basic knowledge of machine learning and being proud to one day say that I was involved in this project from the start to basically the end is something that I'm taking out of this.
Being able to do this research has really helped me to understand the technology behind the designs of this system.
Before 2 months ago, I would imagine myself just involved in neuroscience only. When I am in this project, I realized that, I need to give myself more opportunities to study new things because everything is interdisciplinary, and when it's combined together, it's gonna create something really, really unique.
I think this was a very special one because I was not just working with a faculty or a staff, I was working with my colleagues too.
Another thing that building this teamwork is that we are from different domains. Like for example, I'm in neuroscience, they are computer science, and she's also design study. We have different domain knowledge, but then at the end of the day, we come together to discuss our findings. The best thing I find about this project, collaboration. I appreciate this first year experience working on research with my teammates and Professor Ruben so much.